how to disable friend notifications on Steam. So here I have just opened up the Steam application, and what we want to do is click on Steam in the top left corner, and then here we will select the second to last option, which is settings. Now from here what we need to do is go to the notifications option, which is the fifth one here, and then you will see these friend notifications. So we will have all of these either turned on or off here, but basically if we want to turn them off or disable them, then we'll just toggle these off. So for example, when a friend joins a game, we'll toggle off show toast, and we'll also toggle off play sound. I'm going to do the same for when a friend comes online, show toast, play sound, and we can also do these ones as well when I receive a direct chat message. These are already turned off for me, but when I receive the chat room notification, again, we can turn those off. And that's how you disable all friend notifications on Steam. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.